Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to solve yet another task of 100 days of AWS series by KodeKloud engineer, and in today's task we need to attach a volume to our EC2 instance. So attaching a volume to our EC2 instance means connecting an additional storage disk to an EC2 instance so that our EC2 server can access and store more data. For this, log into AWS console via given credentials and go to EC2 dashboard and verify the existence of our EC2 instance. Go to instances, and as you can see our instance is running, and the task states that attach the DevOps volume to the DevOps EC2 instance. Make sure to set the device name. So let's verify this volume exists. Go to volumes, and as you can see there is a volume in DevOps volume which is of type GB2. So it's mean it is a EBS elastic block storage of 5 GB. So select this, click on actions and click the on attach volume, and we need to select the instance ID. So there is already one instance running which is DevOps EC2. Click on this and select the device name. So as it's stated, we need to select the device name /dev/stb. Select this. This is basically for Linux. Click on attach volume, and as it says successfully attached volume, so we can verify the attachment of our volume from our EC2 instance. Select instance, go to storage, and as we can see there are two volumes attached, and /dev/stb which is DevOps EC2 volume, and now it is in attached. So let's verify. Yes,